If you don't have one of these cordless drills, then this is certainly a good one to start with, because I'll say it's very lightweight. Handle is very comfortable. You have forward and reverse, and it comes with a bunch of attachments. So if you don't have any of this, it's a good way to start out. You have this one here that will hold all of these bits. So if you need to put one of these bits in, you would put this in the drill, and that goes in there. It's magnetic. And to put it in the drill, you're just going to stick it on here like so. And then once it's tight, crank it down, and you're good to go. And then you can just leave this in, and the end is interchangeable with any of these bits. And it comes with a bunch of different options here. Flatheads, Phillips, star bits, all kinds of things. It's going to do a bunch of different things around the house. And also, it does come with some drill bits as well. So if you need to drill some holes because you want to hang some pictures or a clock on the wall, it comes with a little bit of hardware for that as well. So really get you started right off the bat if you're doing, just some stuff in the house and you don't want to go get an expensive thing or buy a bunch of drills you don't need. This thing comes with a few. And I see it has regular, it looks like metal bits, and then of course it has some brad point bits here, which are always very handy. That's got the nice little tip in the middle there, so you can make sure you pinpoint where you want to drill the hole, and then it just starts. Those are called brad points. So it's nice that it comes with those as well. Then you have this little adapter here that you can put in here, tighten up, and then you can put in, if you're trying to get into a tight area, it's got these little nut drivers that comes with it as well. There's a few different sizes here, which are extremely handy. But if you're trying to get into a tight place, you got this here, and you watch, I'm going to pull the trigger on the drill. I can hold this, but the end is turning. So this will allow you to get into some really tight places. And again, you got forward and reverse. So and this thing is very flexible. It's going to go pretty much anywhere you need it to go. Definitely a nice little starter set for sure. And again, it is comfortable too. And I think I said it comes with a charging cord as well, so you can charge it up. Good little rig. It does have a little light right here. Not sure how well. I guess it does shine right where you need it. You see the light lighting up on my hand. These guys are nice enough to send this thing out to me to test it out. I've used it a few times now. Put it back in the box, but it's been working pretty good. You can set it the intensity as far as whether you want to drill or just have it, stop and not drill too deep, or put a screw in too tight. So you have some options with that as well. Nice little rig, and definitely handy. It's a lithium battery, 20 volt. All right, well, hopefully this answers a few questions for you, and you can decide if this is the right unit for you.